Natago na.
Mukon, lalaki-laki pa.
Yung blocky na ice. Yan yung malamig yan. Kapal yung kanilang balat.
Hindi ba ito? Hindi ba yun?
Oo, pareho na yun. Nakadikit sa bata mo. Nasaan na?
Tago sa patingin. Yan. Para alam niya, oras na ng pagkain eh. Kaya pinupunta niya yung pan eh. Doon siya pupunta sa kabila eh. Para alam niya, oras na ng pagkain eh.
Pati isa lang. Nandito ako, kao nakaputi. Balik ka dito. Hello.
Oh look, he's come to say hello. Oh my God. Okay. Well, you can.
Sabi niya
Otherwise, you're
nagugutom na ako.
listening to me doing that. Oh, he's eating something.
That's awesome.
Okay, well, I'll send it to you.
Yes.
I don't know what. I'm
I reckon that
on the
they
other
are,
channel.
the birds never die.
What bird?
Puppet.
See if it's
Seagull.
Malaglag. May kumakain pala doon.
It says that I'm on hold to.
Baga dito ba yun ang kumakain? Oh, just random.
I'm in the water.
Naamoy niya yung pagkain. Not fell.
Hang on a minute. I do not know what's happening anymore. Maybe just hang up to me. I can't even hang up to you.
I can't hang up to you either.
Ooh. Oh well.
I can hang up to you on one thing, but not on the other.
This is it now? We're stuck. Oh no. That's better.
Come on, have a look. Water.
Huh?
Ayan, tumalig
You
sa
might not want
tubig.
us to.
Ang lamig na siya.
Ayun, nakista na to. Nabigis na. Bangus siya tayo.
Hello.
I can see your hands.
You okay? Hang on, I'm trying to see if I
Ano? Gonna jump.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I'm screeching.
Ayaw.
Oh my god, he's going crazy.
Get the heck out. I want to
Who's
fall there.
do that?
She wants to follow me.
Who does?
Go down the water.
Oh, hang on. Let me see you. This little polar bear.
Hello, bear. How you doing? You living your best life.
Wala pa siyang isda.
What not to do? FaceTime while you're driving.
Hanapin naman nila, di ba?
Hang on a minute. I'll just say
I'm not touching. Bye, polar bear.
okay.
Parang sa'yo.
Ano ang gagawin sa isda? Ano ang gagawin sa isda?
Baka dito sa dagat. Alam niya kasi. It's gonna go into the water.
Yes, Mommy's swimming. Yes. Oh.
Tingnan niya.
bottom top.
Bangus yata yun eh. There's one more.
Kinain niya yung unang bilog ko niya. Isda.
Yan pang isa eh.
Oo.
There's one more. Tingnan, nakalaki niya doon, lumulutang siya. It's bangus. It's milkfish. Ayaw mo nang kainin yan eh. Bangus ba? Taylor. Is it? Parang bangus na. Let's go. Naku, naamoy na amoy pa siya. Amoy isla daw dito sa itaas. Hindi naligo.
Si mami ko yan.
Ah, hindi. Hindi pa kayo nakain. Pakainin niya ng siga.
You can pull it.
And it's big. And it's eating fish.
Ano? Napakita niya talaga daw about to eat fish. Oh, lala. Sabi, this is how I munch it. In public.
See?
Tungtong siya doon.
From where? Go have a look.
Ang nalaglag na yung ibang piraso.
Watching from here.
Saan meron naman siyang shot dito doon? May shot dito sila.
Oo, mahal. Ah, ano kaya?
Oras na ba?